games or digital platforms do you engage with most and why?
I usually play Roblox, Call of Duty, Valorant, and like Minecraft. And I play them kasi they're fun and na-enhance din yung critical thinking ko. And na-enjoy ko siya laruin, especially with friends.
How many hours a week do you typically spend on gaming or digital activities?
Siguro kung i-estimate ko sa mga siguro 30 to 40 hours.
30 to 40 hours a week, no? So, malaking time din yun.
Malaking time.
Like before, like ng mga summer, I usually play like 8 to 12 hours a day. But now na nagsa-school na, depende na lang sa like free time.
Do you play games with friends or mostly solo?
I usually play with my friends, pero pag di sila available, doon ako nagpi-play solo.
Introvert ko naman kasi talaga na gusto lang maglaro mag-isa. Pero ayun nga, may mga pag nagaya naman yung ibang kaibigan, syempre sinasama ko din naman yun. Nalaro din naman ako online.
I play with friends sometimes. And it makes the game more fun.
What do you like most about the games you play?
So for me, the gaming community kasi, it helps us connect with each other. And for me, hindi lang kasi siya basta laro. It's about bonding with your community, with your friends, great family. It's a way to spend quality time with your loved ones.
Mas feeling ko mas accessible siya.
Interactive and fun, tapos nakaka-relieve siya ng stress.
Mas nade-develop yung aking mental skills kapag nalaro ng games. And especially yung parang mas nagiging creative din ako kasi parang na-influensyahan ako ng storytelling ng iba't ibang laro niya.
For some games, may mga storyline kasi sila. Like, nagugustuhan ko yung storyline nila.
What potential opportunities does gaming have?
Yun nga, na-enhance yung critical thinking mo, yung comprehension mo with yourself. Nakakapaglaro ka ng masaya, ganon. Tapos, ngayon naman, nauuso na rin yung parang mga competitive na games, yung mga parang tawag dito, mga stream, gano'n, tsaka pagka-content creators.
Technological education, innovation, tsaka career growth.
For the last, do you have any advice for those na nag-start pa lamang explore ng online games?
So for those who are starting sa online games, huwag kayong mahiya na makipag-connect sa mga tao. Kasi it's a very open space. It's a way to engage with people, make connections, and express your creativity.